Good morning. I am Christian Taladrofiel, a fourth-year Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology student, major in Automotive Technology of the Northwest Samar State University in Calbayog City, Samar, Philippines. My objectives in applying the on-the-job training in your company are the following. First is to enhance the knowledge I have acquired in the university. And second is to develop the skills I have acquired through hands-on exposure and become an asset to the company where I will be working with. As a Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology student, major in Automotive Technology, I am capable of engine troubleshooting, overhauling, welding, driving, and automobile wiring. I also work as a furniture maker in one of the carpentry shop in Calbayog City. Since I am 12 years old until the present as my part-time job whenever I don't have a class. I look forward to be working with you as an on-the-job trainee and rest assured that I will do my best to apply in your company the knowledge, skills, and attitude I have learned in our university. Thank you.